Greetings, my beautiful lovelies. It's Emmy. How are you? It's great to see you and welcome back to my kitchen. Today's video is sponsored by Ghirardelli. So the holidays are fast approaching, and that means families are coming together, and there's no better way to bring families together, in my opinion, than chocolate. Today I'm going to be using Ghirardelli's 60% bittersweet chocolate chips to make homemade fudge. Now this fudge recipe sounds incredible because it comes together in 5 minutes. You just mix all the ingredients together, you let it set, and that's it. So I'm super excited to test out this recipe. I think it'll be perfect for gift giving. I love gifts that are handmade and consumable. I feel like it's a great way to share and show your love and sweetness. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. So in this bowl, I have 14 ounces of Ghirardelli 60% bittersweet chocolate chips. So whenever I'm baking with my kids, we always grab a couple chocolate chips and give them a taste. Super smooth, bitter, but not overly so, and tons of rich chocolatey flavor. We call it quality control. So we're gonna melt this in the microwave at 30-second intervals, and after each 30 seconds, we're gonna give this a stir. I just wanna swim in that. We're going to add one 14-ounce can of condensed milk. Whoop. Oh. So good. And we're gonna add a healthy pinch of salt. I'm using sea salt. And mix that all together. Finally, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now look at this transformation. Watch. See how it's thickening up? Isn't that amazing? It's like changing states. It's beautiful. That's pretty much it. This is the fudge. See? Like less than 5 minutes, like 3 minutes. Beautiful. So I've got a loaf pan here lined with some parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, you can just butter your pan, but this makes it really simple to take out the fudge. Now we're going to take our fudge, plop it into here, press it down into the corners, and get it nice and smooth. So if you just want plain fudge, the fudge is finished, but I like to gild the lily, and we're gonna add these tiny mini Ghirardelli semi-sweet chocolate chips because Ghirardelli chocolate chips make fudge a bite better. Sprinkle them right on top, and then I like to give them a little press to kind of push them into the fudge a bit. Next to that, I'm gonna add some chopped peppermint candies. I love the combination of mint and chocolate. For the last section, I'm gonna use some chopped walnuts. It's a classic combination. Fold the parchment over, give everything a press, and then chill this for 2 to 3 hours until it's completely firm. Alrighty, lovelies, back with a chilled fudge. And the parchment makes it so easy to pull out. Right? So great. Dee, 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 dee. Love it. First, let's separate the flavors. Look at that. Oh, these look great. Dun, 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 dun. Beautiful. All right, my lovelies, look how great these turned out. Fudge 3 different ways. We have double chocolate, peppermint, and classic walnut. Look how stinking cute they look. And so easy, so easy. I'm gonna taste the double chocolate one first. Itadakimasu. Scrum diddly umptious, that classic texture of fudge that's dense and rich. You get the dairy from the condensed milk, the sugar, and that rich, intensely chocolatey flavor. So good. I love the textural contrast between the crunch of the mini chocolate chips and the dense, rich fudge. So, so good. Let's try the peppermint next. Here we go. That one screams holidays to me. That combination of peppermint candy stick with chocolate, so good. And this one I really can taste a little bit of salt that's in the fudge. That is great as well. This one has a really delightful crunch too, a little bit sharper crunch than the chocolate chips. Classic walnut. And that's a classic combination. The richness of the walnuts goes so nicely with the chocolate, and it gives that little subtle kind of bite to it. So, so very good. Alrighty, my lovelies, there you have it. An absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious, gift-worthy, chocolate-filled gift. Thanks so much for watching, and big thanks to Ghirardelli for sponsoring this video. Find Ghirardelli chocolate at your local grocery store. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Check out my website. I'll include an imprintable version of this recipe. And like this video, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Toodaloo, take care, bye!